Very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kashita. Good evening, everybody. I welcome you to the 17th year of Beti. Well, actually 17th year in the sense that we started it 17 years ago, and at that time the focus was on female feticide, because that is what when the UNFPA, somebody had approached me to say that the ratio in India is terrible, girls versus boys. So if we could do something about it. It took me about maybe 6 months or a year to even know what female feticide was, but then yes, we did get started. And I got a lot of my friends from the industry to support it in the way of such events, because these events are just byproducts and they're to grab attention, but the focus is on the issue itself. And there was everybody who said yes instantly, to the extent that 3 years later, I was called by the director of the UNFPA to say that the ratio in India was improving because there were a lot of people talking about it from the industry. So therefore, post that, we have concentrated on the fact that every event I do has people from the industry to talk about the issue, because people listen to them, listen to all of you. You know, whatever you say and do, they follow. And therefore, Beti has now reached 17 years. Later, we've done a lot of medical help for a lot of people, but now main focus is on education. And this year we've got 323 students we're educating. And today, you will meet some of them who have stood in the first, second, third, and 80% plus in the last year in SSC and HSC. So what I would like, honestly, is to insist, actually, more than just request. I've been requesting for many years. But now I would want all of you here to talk about the fact where you can do a little bit of something for the girl child, because that is our future. And then you know what happens is, the minute you contribute some, everybody is an NGO in themselves, because you are taking out of your time, energy, money to ensure that the not so privileged have the advantage that we as the privileged do. So I request you all to please happily talk about Beti, ensure that girls are educated, ensure that the future of our country is really, really fabulous at the way we are going. And it's a pet project of the Prime Minister, is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And हम लोग कर रहे हैं वैसे भी इसको, I think, कितने सालों से, and we shall continue doing so. So I thank you all. And before I leave, I would like to invite a few people on stage for a few special messages and what we have in mind, and a few special acts that we have to do. We've gone to honor the 8 girls who've done so well, and I'd like to call some people, friends of mine in the audience, to come and, well, we've got something little to give to them. So I would like to call my husband, Shashi Ranjan. I'd like to call Mr. Rakesh Roshan, please. My favorite, Mahima Chaudhary. Mr. Ramesh Turani, our hardcore supporter as far as I can remember. And where is my favorite Pandi? I can't see her here. Pandi here? Padmini, oh, there she is, sorry. Oh, sorry, Padmini Kolhapuri. I forgot her name. Pandi. Sanjay, I want those checks, please. Sanjay, I want the checks, please. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I would like to call all our students, and I'd like to all of you please give them a check, and the percentage they have received in this year is written right here, so it'll mean a lot to them. If you can give her. Okay, Pradnya Mane, please. Ye dekhiye. 82%. She got 82% this year in school. Chakuli Bagade.
Priya Handakale, 72%. And Prarthavi Gitai, 80%. ये मुझे बहुत खुशी की बात हो रही है कि मैं अपने हाथों से इन बेटियों को ब्लेसिंग्स दे पा रहा हूँ एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ अनु seeing your video this time for the first time. You're educating 300 girls and it's very very shocking and very surprising that you're doing this and such a lovely thing. I want to join you in this journey in whatever way I can.
रेशमा मकंडवाला 74%. And Shubhangi Dhaigode 70%. I think they are doing wonderful job. बेटी को सबने सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, जितने फिल्म फेटर्निटी है, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं, बिजनेसमैन हैं, सबको कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए. आई थिंक अनु जी इज़ डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब, तो आई थिंक हम सबको उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
Asmi, 65% in SSC. Congratulations. Saloni Rathod, 78%. अभी और आएगा ज़्यादा. I would request Padmini and Mahima to say a few words, please.
Heartfelt and heartiest congratulations, Anuranjan. Great job. And as you can see, we are all here to support you in full force. And it's a humongous task you have taken up. No easy job this is. But all the very best, and we are here for you. Always. Thank you.
Absolutely. Good evening, everyone. Very proud of you, Anu. And it's great that I'm particularly very, very tilted towards doing stuff for women, because no matter what field we are in, I think we still have so many roadblocks coming our way. And I can only imagine what happens in economically very, very weak homes. And these kind, like she said, the country being very celebrity driven, to have so many people come forward in support makes a huge difference. And I'm so happy I could be here with my daughter, with my beti here to support this, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and congratulations.
So, thank you very much, everyone, to be here with us on this mission which we had taken 17 years back. मैं एक बात सबसे कहना चाहता हूँ. मुझे इस 17 साल के दौरान में कई बार कुछ लोगों ने पूछा कि आप काम तो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, लेकिन ये ग्लैमर जो लेके आते हैं आप, ये जो फैशन वॉक करते हैं और सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते हैं, इसका फ़ायदा क्या है, तात्पर्य क्या है ग्लैमर के लिए? तो मैं ये बात क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे इस मिशन में ये लोग, जिन्हें लोग पहचानते हैं, जिनकी एक आवाज़ है, जिनका एक महत्व है हमारी सोसाइटी में, इनकी आवाज़ जब लोगों तक पहुंचती है तो असर रखती है. लेकिन आज जो है वो माहौल बहुत बदल चुका है. हमारा जो सामाजिक स्तर है देश का, वो भी बहुत बदला है. तो आज के दिन आप भी कोई संदेश या कोई चीज़ बेटी के लिए किसी को कह पाते हैं, अपने 4 दोस्तों को, अपने परिवार को, तो वो परिवर्तन में एक बहुत बड़ी आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा. मैं जानता हूँ कि हर एक लोग हर इंसान जो है शायद फाइनेंशियली हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगा, लेकिन अगर आप सामाजिक तौर पे भी इसे अपना लें और ये बात सोच लें कि जहाँ जहाँ बेटी का महत्व है हमारे समाज में, अगर हम उसको प्राथमिकता देंगे तो ये समाज बेहतर समाज होगा। तो मेरी आप सबसे ये विनती है कि आज शाम जब यहाँ से आप जाएं तो सिर्फ ये ग्लैमर ना याद रहे आपको, सिर्फ ये फेसेस ना याद रहें, इसके पीछे जो मैसेज है उसे भी आप याद रखें। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू एवरीबडी। आप बैठिए प्लीज़। I'd like to please now call somebody very special on stage who has done something very special for two parents over here, and you'll see what it is. Mr. Anil Murarka, please. कहाँ पे है मुरारका जी? Is Mr. Murarka here? There he is. Mr. Murarka here is also a supporter of Beti, and today he said that since it's Mother's Day and it's Beti, he'd like to do something special for certain parents. So, आप ही बताइए आप ये क्या किया है? हाँ जी? No, I'm not a better judge. Can you get the paint?
Hi guys, Rakesh ji, Naman. Dosto, it's such a pleasure to be here, sharing the stage with this lady. ये जो काम कर रही हैं is something extraordinary. There's so much to learn from you. अक्सर सुना था, आपको देख लिया. Lending a hand to someone is rather much more better than joining your hands for a prayer. So this is what she is. The movement what we're talking about today, can I have Alka ji on stage? Alka ji, आप चिंता मत करो. Anuji, here.
This is my favorite friend, Alka Yagnik. We got something special for her. And Alka, please, this is for Mother's Day, and I know exactly how much it means to you. So, Anil ji, when we talked about it, I said, we were talking about you. And he said, okay, I'd love to do this for her. So, please, दीजिएगा. उसमें दिखा दीजिए.
This is such a surprise and a very pleasant one at that. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's very precious because, of course, everyone's mothers mean the world to their own children. But my mother, I mean, actually, Anu told me to talk about my mother. She wanted a video bite. I said every time I try to do that, I don't know what to say. I don't know where to start and how to move ahead. And actually, there are no words. I can't find the right words to talk about my mother, and that is what she meant to me. And whatever I am as a person, as an artist, as a human being, is all thanks to my parents, and especially my mother, who shaped my entire life for me. And thank you so much for this. And Anu, congratulations and all the very best to you. आप लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, it's such a noble job what you people are doing. और हम अगर indirectly ही सही आपके through अगर हम कुछ कर पाते हैं in our own way, at least we can support you and contribute in whatever way. It's a big honor and a pleasure for us. And thank you for taking taking Beti forward year after year. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ये आपके लिए, ये वो ले जाएंगे नीचे आपको दे देंगे. is Kapil. Okay, next I think. Okay, Kapil.
Ma'am, once again, we want to say something to you. You know, there's always been times wherein we love to surprise you for a change, because you've always been surprising all of us with the kind of creativity that you put in. So Anilji and I, we had a treaty. Anilji, can you please do the honors and tell us, what is it?
दोस्तों, अब ये अगर दूसरों को अगर ये कुछ भेंट देना चाहें और अगर हम इनको ही छोड़ दें, would it be justified? It is Mother's Day today, and here's something for Anu ji. It's just a feeling shared, Anu ji. I hope you cherish it. I hope you like it.
I am super excited for this one. Are we all excited as well? Some shout would be nice from everyone sitting over here. That's amazing.
Can I have the two young girls here? Yeah, Anushka and Akansha. Please, please.
Everybody please put your hands together for the gorgeous Anushka and Akanksha joining on stage. Before I show this to you, Anilji, do the honors with your own hands. Now that's a piece of art that we say. Wishing you all three a happy Mother's Day today. Both the daughters can now hug the mother and give a kiss maybe as well. Everybody please, let's cherish this moment.
Thank you so much.
You will hold
Thank you, Anilji. You shouldn't have done this, but yes, I'm glad you did it. Okay, now there was someone else, but he is going to be there later. So Anilji, tab aapko bulaungi वापस मैं. हाँ जी. And now just some people special who have done, again who are supporting Beti and who are here. I'd like to call Hitin Tejwani, Aditi Govitrikar and Gunjan. And these are the NRI team. Come on, guys. They have again been there with us for Beti, and Gunjan especially. She's the producer of NRI Wives, but then she feels a lot for us, and we feel her cast and her, especially Hitin and Aditi, they've come here to support us. So I thought it's very essential and very important that they be given a shout.
So I feel, first of all, very pleasure and honor to be here on the Mother's Day weekend. I left my motherland 19 years ago on Mother's Day weekend. I lost my daughter on Mother's Day weekend. पर ईश्वर ने मेरी मुझसे कंजक ले ली, लेकिन I feel very resonate. I mean, I feel very belongingness and love for, genuinely love for all the betis out there, angels out there. I'm blessed mom. I have 2 boys, and हमारी film NRI Wives, Grey Stories of Love versus Desires. As a writer and producer, I would love the opportunity to promote it. It's releasing on 26th May, and it's very women empowering stories, if I may say, because how good women can show grey shades too in odd life circumstances. Do you want to say something, please?
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Anu, for creating this beautiful initiative called Beti. I have been part of it for years now. I have a daughter, so I understand what it means to have a daughter. I have a son also, who's very sweet. But we are here to promote NRI Wives. It's all about grace stories and how it is empowering for a woman to have a choice. And it does not mean that just because you're a good person, a good human being, you cannot make mistakes. Why do you make the mistakes? वो जो लक्ष्मण रेखा होती है उसे उल्लंघन लोग क्यों करते हैं? It's all about that. So I do hope that all of you go and watch the film on 26th May in theaters near you. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you. Nitin, बोलेंगे आप?
Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody. Beti, a great initiative again. Anuji, we are honored, and you know, it's every time I wanted to come here, but this time I made it. Thank you so much. And well, they have already said everything about the movie. So NRI Wives is about wives. So wives have spoken. The husband, bichara, will just walk. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But what you've been doing, I mean, it's tremendous, it's amazing, and it's a pleasure and honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Come. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, now before we start the show, we're going to be starting the show right now. I just want to say my thank yous because I always forget to say thank you. And everybody here today has contributed graciously with their heart and soul for the Beti movement. First and foremost, I'd like to thank my friend Mr. and Mrs. Sanjeev Saxena from Indore, who have always been there for us no matter what, and they're here again with us from Indore. Please, big thank you to them. Siddharth Teitler, our designer, Spectrum Entertainment, Enrich for all our hair and makeup, Charmi, our choreographer, Nandita Shekhawat for our jewelry from Jaipur, INIFD Andheri, JW Marriott Juhu, my favorite Nikita, where is she? There she, oh my God, she's sitting in the back. Okay, thank you always for supporting us, Nikita. It means a lot. Auto Hanger Mercedes, they've gotten us a car, they're not giving it to us, they just parked it there. Anyway, whatever. Thank you so much. Pictures and Craft, Parul and Kashita Bhatia, our anchor. I thank you all and all the models over here who you're going to be seeing now, all the artists who you're going to be seeing now from the film, television, fraternity who are going to be walking the ramp for us. Thank you once again from Beti, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.